moms, dads, and winner kids. Welcome to the Winner Moms Podcast! Yay!
Hi, moms, dads, and winner kids. Welcome to Winner Kids! It's our community's indoor playground that is small and safe, perfect for kids like me, ages 1 to 9. We have a slide! Whee! A ball pit? Whee! Ball pit! Rides where we can drive like adults. Inflatable jump area. We have a reading nook, a crafts area, and many more. Did you know that our staff cleans everything every day? They're really nice too. Also, only a limited number of kids are allowed per hour. So we all have a room to play, move, and be silly. It's the perfect place for play dates, fun days, and even birthday parties. So come play with us here in Pasig City.
So we have a Winner Moms podcast because we know as moms, marami tayong kwento.
Yes.
We have several kwentos and we want to learn from each other. We also want to learn from our audience.
Yes.
And so, when moms are happy, families thrive.
Correct. So so we hope you learn a lot from us. It's our second episode today.
Introduce yourself.
Okay, sorry. My name is Rachel and here with me is Mommy Says.
My
and
name is Ces.
Yes, we are the founders of
Winner Kids!
Yay! So, winamaximize lang po namin yung araw ngayon kasi nasa Singapore kami.
Yes! Second episode na lang.
Ayabang namin.
We went international na agad.
Wala lang.
Gano'n to kabiglaan?
Gano'ng kabiglaan? Last week lang natin pilaan.
Sweet lang bigla. Okay.
Okay, so let's start with...
The milestone of the week. Bakit ano nga ba yung milestone of the week? Ang milestone of the week is binabase namin siya sa mga babies natin na minamonitor natin yung milestones.
Yes.
So tayong mga moms, women, gusto rin natin i-celebrate ko ano yung mga milestones natin.
That's right. So, let's start with you kasi sobrang
Okay.
ganda ng milestone mo.
Okay, thank you so much. My
And congrats.
milestone of the week is that finally, after 7 months of our soft opening phase, nag-grand opening na kami. Yay! So, nag-grand opening kami ng Posh Nails. I own Posh Nails Pasig. We have a branch in Mercedes and nag-home service din kami sa Pasig and nearby cities. Inattendan siya ng mga endorsers. Thank you po sa aming mga sobrang
Sino yung best endorser mo?
si Vico.
Mayor.
Okay. Salamat po sa Posh ladies natin. Si Miss Kat Ilacad ang owner ng Posh. Si Sir Rico, si Miss Jane. And then of course, si Miss Christine Reyes, Barbie Forteza, Miss Rian Ramos, and humabol din si Miss Isabel Oli. And ang kuya mo, si Councilor Kiko Ruscha.
Na nagpalinis pa ng kuko.
Insert clip. And syempre, ang ating beshi, Mayor Vico Soto.
Yes. Hi,
So,
Beshi.
Well, kaklase ko kasi si Mayor. So, he's always been a good friend even before he was elected as mayor. Milestone siya kasi kahit pala i-delay mo, ang ganda pa rin ng at least actually
Iba pa
dapat
rin yung feeling.
actually dapat July pa siya. March kami
Oh, Merry
nag-open.
Christmas na. Oh, at least Merry Christmas.
March
and
kami
Christmas, no?
nag-open. Tapos 2023 ako nag-inquire.
Ganun pala. Matagal
March
ba?
2023 ako. Hindi naman, pero yung location ko hindi muna na-approve. Ay, na-approve nila pero may reservation.
Yeah.
Parang sige,
Oo.
wag na lang din kung gano'n.
Oo.
So, it turns out, si Sir Tim, thank you, owner ng Mercedes Town Building, mas napaganda pa. Yung
what was the first?
location
Sorry. Out of
Yung bahay
curiosity.
lang namin.
Okay. Oh, sige.
Kasi,
sige.
di ba, medyo parang
imagine
BF Paranaque yung location.
That area. Okay, gets.
So, 2023, 2024, October, 3 months pa lang si Brie noon nung nag-inquire ako 2023. Nag-breastfeed pa ako habang nag-inquire, ganyan. Tapos,
You really wanted that?
because client ako eh.
Oh, okay. Ang
Tapos
ganda
nung
naman na service.
nakita ko na, ay, Muji yung upuan. Ibig sabihin, tapos pinagkasya-kasya nila yung upuan sa maleta.
Correct.
Tapos sabi ko, ibig sabihin na pag-isipan nila yung sistema.
Oo.
So yun, 20, March this year of 2025 kami nag-open. And then, nung nag-open na kami, July, June, sabi ko, what if anniversary na lang next year? Pero finally, nag-open siya nung 11/11. Thank you po sa lahat ng mga nag-support.
Congrats!
Please follow our page.
Yes.
And ready kami para to service you for your nail care and pampering things, mommies.
Yeah, so congrats.
Thank you so much. And thank you, syempre, for coming.
Yeah, syempre, support tayo sa'yo.
Ang model ko.
Wag lang yung pa, malaki pa ako eh.
Kaya ni Rika ang model ko.
So, congrats! Yeah, at least it's done. And it's parang to start your holiday season. And the happy holidays yun.
Posh Nails is open now in Mercedes Ave, Pasig City.
Ito sa dedication ng Austin New.
Trusted by us, Posh Nails is now in Pasig City.
So don't forget to follow @poshnails.pasig on social media.
Me naman, my milestone of the week, if you had Posh Nails and finally it was an anniversary grand opening, my milestone would be having the courage to actually finally introduce to the social media our breastfeeding and lactation station in the barangay. Yeah. So we've planned this ever since pandemic. Actually, the idea was to create a full program for mommies. And for the first 1,000 days, kasi very passionate ako doon sa first 1,000 days, na-realize ko.
Bagay talaga sa'yo yung podcast.
Na-realize ko, pagiging nanay. Diba, when we were first time moms nung pandemic, ang laki ng difference. And you realize na, parang, if on our end, struggle na nga magpalaki ng bata, because economically mahirap na magpalaki ng bata, lalo na ang nag-worry ka sa health niya and you make sure that the nutrition of your child is intact. Na-realize ko, ba't hindi natin i-share sa community yon?
And I can attest to kung paano ka ka-passionate. Kasi before, di ba nag-offer ka pa sa akin, do you want lactation nurse
Kasi
and all?
na-realize ko a lot of things.
Even hindi tayo lagi nag-uusap nun
Oo.
Alam mo lang nakakapanganak ako, nag-offer ka na, ay, grabe.
My treat, mga kasi parang totoo naman, a lot of things happen in the first few years of your child's development.
Yeah.
And we thought of giving that and sharing that to the community and to the public na, at least there's a barangay that offers that. Good morning mga kabarangay! Nandito tayo ngayon sa ating lactation room sa Barangay San Antonio kung saan parte ng ating first 1,000 days nutrition program ay nagkaroon po tayo ng ganitong facility. So, i-share lang po namin ito para sa inyo lahat. Libre-libre itong facility natin para sa inyo. Pakilala ko lang po, this is CJ, ang ating barangay nutritionist, and si Nanay Lorena, ang ating barangay hired lactation specialist. So, guys, ba't nga ba tayo nagkaganito?
So yun, ang aking barangay nutrition lactation station na ito ay ginawa po namin para po bigyan ng karapatan or bigyan ng services ng ating mga lactating mothers po dito sa Barangay San Antonio para meron po silang safe space para po sila ay makapag-breastfeed ng maayos.
So ito na mga kasama ang facility ng lactation room ng Barangay San Antonio. Meron tayong wash basin, makikita nyo rin ang ating munting milk depot na monitor din ang temperature ng mga gatas na dinodonate. Makikita rin ang IEC materials para sa mga ina at sa mga bata. Dito naman ang ating breast pump at diaper changing area para sa babies. So ayan ang ating munting lactation room sa Barangay San Antonio.
We have also Nanny Lorena here para supportahan yung kanilang lactation journey.
Yes, din ako. Kaya yung mga mommy na mga nagpapa-breastfeed, malaking tulong po ito para sa inyo. Para mas magabayan po namin kayo, nandito po kami. Ako po bilang breastfeeding counselor, nandito po ako para magabayan po kayo para po sa tatagal na inyong breastfeeding.
Open po tayo from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. At kung gusto niyo naman po magpa-counseling kay Nanay Lorena, nandito po siya every Wednesday, 9 a.m. hanggang 12 noon. So mga kabarangay, sana ma-maximize yung ating service dito sa Barangay San Antonio. Bye!
Bye!
Just for those who don't know, si Rachel ang new definition ng isang kagawad. The sophisticated... Oo. Ewan ko, parang
Sorry,
elevated version ng isang public official.
Uy, nakakainis. Cut natin yan.
Hindi! Uy, totoo yun kasi siguro merong...
Parang-
I don't know if I'm politically correct or not, pero I can...
New
many
age,
can
ganun.
attest to this na lang, na when you think of a kagawad, medyo iba yung...
Oo, kainuman mo.
Oo, medyo iba yung naiisip mo. Pero at least, meron tayong isang performer
Thank
dito.
you. So, more of like, we want to make sure that whatever that you can provide, or whatever that you can receive, the services that you can receive privately, na maganda.
Deserve ng Pilipinong mommy yun. Any status.
And I feel like it's disservice not to give it as an elected official.
It's their right, actually.
It's their right. So, yon. Oh yeah, so those are milestones for the week.
May big time mga milestone natin.
Business-wise, community-wise, maraming milestones, guys.
Okay, so ano nga ba yung topic natin?
So our topic
okay.
Yes.
Ano yung title ng topic? Wala.
O sige,
basta yung topic
yun.
of the week.
Topic of the week. Hi, Kuya.
Ayan.
Hi,
Hello,
background.
Kuya. Kung nasa Spotify na po ito. Or...
Hello po. Ayan, nandito kasi kami sa Marina Bay Sands.
I will try to upload this na sa Spotify.
Sige.
Parang na-chat GPT ko na kung paano eh.
Okay, so alam mo na, this is the techie mom kasi. Ako yung performative mom.
Ay, mabot. Oh my gosh, kailangan natin.
Okay.
Pero kung nakikinig po kayo sa aming podcast right now, makikita nyo
Behind us
is the Marina Bay Sands Hotel and Mall. Ito yung hotel, di ba?
Yes.
Yan yung
Baka.
So yan
Basta
yung,
yun.
basta hindi kami nakastay dyan.
Hindi kami nakasay dyan. Feeling nga lang kami.
Mahal.
Maganda lang yung background namin. Ayan.
Oo. Okay, so
okay.
topic of the week is, syempre, nandito na rin naman tayo, traveling with kids.
Yes.
Babies.
Yes.
Newborn, infant, traveling with family. Ganyan.
Yes. So how hard is it? How do you plan it? What do you do? Whatsoever.
Tutuloy mo pa ba?
Oo. After your first time, uulitin mo pa ba? Parang ganon. So, perfect yung topic dahil we have the prepared mom and we have the
Sponty mom.
The sponty
yung
mom.
sponty na mas maraming accomplishment.
Hindi Ikaw yun.
Mas maraming nagagawa. Puro plano.
Si Ces, in fairness to Ces, is the brain and everything. Ako lang yung execute. Ako lang yung, sige, gawin natin yan. Hindi, sige, wag natin gawin. Diba? I think that's our tandem.
Oh, that's our dynamic.
That's our dynamic. But, I rely on her on plans and I rely on her when it comes to making sure things are, well planned off.
Pero matatakotin kasi ako.
Mm-mm.
I always say na, maybe I can say that my ideas are golden, but my confidence in myself is so low.
Alam mo, liyo ka pa naman din. Liyo pa. Kasi magkaibang liyo kami.
Kumukuha ako sa'yo ng
Lakas. Ako kasi
Yan.
si Leo na makapala mukha.
Palaban.
Napalaban. So, okay. So, let's move back to our topic.
Okay.
And
So,
the topic is?
yun, traveling with your family, kids, babies. Okay. I only have 2 questions and then we can go from there.
Okay, so let's just start with the questions and all that.
Kwentuhan time.
Okay, sige. First, yung first time mong to fix her documents, Bree's documents.
The question is, when did you first plan traveling with your baby? You answer
Yeah.
me. We both answer.
Oh, sige. Let
Me. Okay, me.
Start with you.
Before I gave birth.
Wait. Oh my gosh. Paano? Sorry,
Inalam ko
Mike.
na.
Paano?
Inalam ko
Talaga?
na.
Bakit kasi did you have plans of taking her abroad?
Kasi parang, okay, way before,
Mm-mm.
nung nag-pregnant ako, akala ko kasi matitigil. Alam mo yung natatakot ka na matitigil yung
mga-
pagta-travel mo. And
yung
all.
your usual life before.
Oo,
okay.
before kang maging pregnant, sasabihin mo, ay gusto ko na, sinabi ko pa yun na yun,
Mm-mm.
ay gusto ko muna mag-travel muna kami bago kami magka-baby. Kasi once nagka-baby na, mahirap na mag-travel.
Correct.
But
Kasi a
sabi
lot
ko,
of factors.
oo, but sabi ko, I wanna make it happen. Na makakapag-travel pa rin. So, before. So, syempre na ano ko na. And so, my baby at April. April yung issue date ng ano niya, ng passport niya. So, ibig sabihin,
A
4
few months
months,
pa lang siya. Oo.
3 months pa lang siya.
Oo.
in-apply na namin siya.
Mm-mm.
Which kaya nakakatawa. Ngayon, 3 years old na siya. Yung mukha, tapos yung buhok niya parang siyang si Naruto.
Tsaka parang ang dami niyang binyahe. In fairness to you, naisip mo talaga siya in a way na ang dami niya napuntahan na at 3 years old.
Tapos, at 5 months, may US visa na siya.
Well,
Kasi, mabilis lang.
oo, actually, when one parent, yun, but tips to our first-time moms, when one parent has an existing US visa, mas madaling magkaroon ng visa yung anak. Dropbox
Dropbox
lang yun.
lang sa UP Town BGC. Uptown ba yun? UP Town? Basta doon sa...
Ako nga, sa Galilang din eh.
Meron ba doon?
Oo,
Anyway,
nag-Dropbox lang.
nag-Dropbox lang doon. Sabi, 2 weeks. Within that week na bigay na. Oo.
Ako naman, there was a lacking document. Ang bilis lang ng process.
Oo.
Yun yung naging 2 weeks interval ko.
Okay.
Oo, kasi I think there was,
Oo.
may nagkulang lang. Pero sobrang bilis ng feedback nila. And
So,
sobrang
yun.
bilis din ng dating ng US visa niya. Plus, 10 years ang
Oo,
validity.
diba? Yung passport nila, actually, is 5 years. Like kay Brie, kasi magbabago yung
mine,
face.
oo.
Pero yung
Oo.
US visa niya, 10
Oo.
years.
Ako, speaking of renewal ko, after this travel siguro, will renew na.
And if you need to, like si Becca magpa-5 na. If she needs to renew, minor siya, pwede ka na lang hindi magpa-schedule. Sasabay ka lang sa kanya.
Para sabay na kayo.
Oo.
This is, passport. Philippine passport. Okay,
For
okay.
passport. Ayun. For Philippine passport, what I know is that if you are less than, hindi ko alam. Pag US visa kasi 14. Pag passport, basta pag minor,
Oo.
wala siyang schedule, di ba? Kasi yung companion niya, ganun din. Even actually for elderly. Ganun din.
that's
So kung
nice.
sino
That's
yung
good to
companion,
know.
kung kailangan na rin mag-renew, renew na rin
Okay.
doon.
Oh, that's good to know.
Search na rin sa website.
Oo,
But
medyo ganyan din naman tayo. Yeah, oo.
yun yung alam ko. So anyway,
okay,
at
so
5
you plan
months,
to-
may Japan and US visa na siya. However, nagka-COVID ang baby ko ng 5 months.
Nagbumili ka na ng ticket noon.
Hindi pa yata.
Okay.
Last minute kami So natuloy kami mag-travel August. So she was 7-8 months. Ganon na. Nung yung first travel namin. But it's okay. I mean, hindi okay na nagka-COVID si Brie.
But,
Pero
ano siya,
yun, that was
learning from experience.
that was our first travel. 5 months pa lang, pinlano na namin. Yun nga lang, syempre mag-iiba yung mukha niya.
Correct.
So, 3 years old na siya. That's why 5 years.
Mm-mm.
You.
Ganun din. Actually, ganun din. Right when she was born, inisip ko na schedule. Nakakatawa yun kasi nung schedule namin yung passport, sinabay ko kasi dun sa expiry ng passport ko. Ang nakakatawa dun, wala kaming schedule na makuha sa Manila. Nag-book kami ng kapatid ko kasi meron akong brother, si Robbie. Hi, Rob. Yeah, meron pa. Yung sumunod sa akin, nakamukha ko.
Ilan ba yung lalaki?
2 boys.
Okay.
2 boys. Kuya, si Kiko.
5 kayo lahat?
5 kami lahat.
Okay.
Oh. Sakto, kami yung magkasabay na expiry date. Ang available namin, Ilocos, girl.
Oh my gosh. Pandemic. Nag-Ilocos din kami. Ay, ba't di pa tayo sabay-sabay?
Di ba't nag-Ilocos kayo dahil pandemic or dahil kinuha niyo yung passport doon?
For me, for nung di pa ako pregnant and all.
Oh, doon ka
Oo.
nag-renew.
Eh, yun, that was
Okay,
about the
oo.
time na
Mga ganun, super hard lockdown talaga siya.
nagpagod-pod kayo.
Oo, syempre.
Walang
sinulit
tao,
na,
di ba?
Nagbakasyon na kami. Pero ang saya, that made me realize, parang ang sarap pala mabuhay not in Manila, obviously.
Oo.
So, yun. But just the same, after na na-receive yung passport, automatic, nag-apply na kami ng US visa. Only because, while I'm a spontaneous mom, I'm also somehow, let's plan ahead mom. Parang ganun. So, inisip ko na maganda na meron. And then,
Paano yung
diba?
pagbiglaan lang, di
Oo,
ba?
oo.
Total
Katulad
madali
ngayon.
lang
Ngayon, we were planning, but now we're expecting the sister of Becca. So, parang hindi na rin namin maggawang dalhin siya sa US until her sister is born. So, just the same, ganun din ang gagawin ko. So, when she's born, plano agad.
Sabay ka na pag-renew.
Oo.
Ay, well.
Hindi 10 years tayo eh.
Hindi
sa
yung passport.
Oo, 10 years yung passport natin.
Okay. Yes.
So, parang mag-overlap. Pero let's see, baka kaya naman. So,
Oo.
yan. So, there, guys. Your first trip naman. Let's talk about your
My
first trip.
first trip. So, yun na nga. Yung first trip namin was Japan. Naging
Okay.
August siya. Supposedly, ayokong pupunta sa Japan kapag summer.
Kasi mainit.
Sobrang
Parang
init.
bumiyahe ka pa para mainitan, di ba?
Kaso,
Totoo.
bakit nga ba? Parang tinuloy na lang namin kasi may mga nagsama kami ng staff. Ay, gusto mo mahirapan ang buhay. Pakinggan mo yung kwento ko.
Oo, go. Ngayon?
Nung
itong
travel na.
Oo.
So, 5 months, galing yung COVID yung baby. 8 months, sige, finally natuloy for my birthday.
Oo.
Tapos,
August, oo.
so, may kasama kang 8-month-old.
Shit,
Kasama.
shockers, oo.
Wait, there's more. Nagsama pa ako ng 84 years old.
Oh my God!
83 yata. 83 years old.
So, may inaalalayan ka. May inaalalayan kang 2 tao. Okay, paano yun?
Well,
Why?
may tita ako doon na anak ng lola ko.
Okay.
So,
Si Lola sinama.
oo. So,
Minsan kasi, ang sarap kasi isama din sila eh.
tsaka
For the
yung
sake
lola ko
of-
kasi
oo.
parang nagtatampo kapag 83 na yun
Oo,
pag di mo sinama, nagtatampo. Ganun.
Gets. Pero masarap din yung feeling kasi na nasasama mo sa bakasyon,
Oo.
di ba?
Mali ko nun, instead na kumuha pa ako ng JR pass, thinking na makakasulit ako from, ano ba yun? Osaka to,
Oo.
Osaka Airport to Toyama. Dapat pala nag-bus na lang kami. Mas nahirapan yung mga ano.
Yes, gets. Because
Oo.
of the transfer,
Oo.
ganyan.
So, hinit na init sila. Pagod na pagod. Ang dami namin maleta.
Tapos pa, ang init.
Tapos,
sa Japan.
syempre kapag newborn or infant that age, napakarami mong bit-bit, which we will go later.
Oo.
So, yun, I'll admit na nag-asa ko ng help kasi like sa lola ko kumuha kami ng magki-caretaker sa kanya na yung lola ko wanted to stay for 13 days. 15 days yung visa niya.
2 weeks.
Oo, so iniwan namin yun sa kanya. Tapos ako, may naka-assign pa sa akin na ate noon, sinama rin namin. At least naging blessing ka rin.
Oo.
Kasi nakapasyal sila,
Oo,
yung
oo,
ganyan.
gets.
At the same time, hindi naman ako,
The same ate,
actually
not
mahirap din.
the ate is no longer with you.
Yeah, one is already in the US. Nakapag-asawa ng FM.
I love it.
Yes.
I love it.
The other one is Ate Elena.
Key
The
to
one
success.
the one I mentioned last episode. So, si Ate Elena
Nakakatuwa.
Yes! Si Ate Elena actually naiwan sa lola ko.
Okay.
Oo.
At least ano na siya,
Oo, nag 2 weeks sa Japan si Ate Elena.
Yay! nakakatuwa. Ay, ikaw,
Pwede
fairness to you.
natin kuning speaker si Ate Elena.
Sige.
Sa
For
ano,
lactation.
tatanungin natin sa kung makakagawa tayong session events or something.
Guys, i-plug
Abangan
ko lang.
nyo.
Si Ses, super generous ito sa mga tao niya.
Oh my gosh.
Oo. Yeah, nakakaiyak. Char.
Wala lang
Pero
sweldo.
totoo, super generous siya sa mga tao niya. In a sense that she finds the gratuity of giving back to them because of the service that they give to her.
But, you know what? They also make my life easy. Kaya kunwari sa mga business ko, konti lang yung take home ko. Pero,
At least,
maginhawa Gets mo?
Magaan.
Magaan.
Correct.
Kaya yung mga staff namin, syempre yung iba may mga gusto ng mag-asawa, pero yung pinakamatagal, 10 years.
Oo.
Yung mga, may dalawang nag-resign, 8 years sila nung umalis sila.
Sarap.
May mga, yung ngayon,
At saka ibang loyalty They
Oo.
really, the loyalty is something that they remember for the rest of their lives. At,
yes, actually, at least hanggang
parang
ngayon,
pamilya
bumabati pa rin
Oo,
sila.
Correct.
Tapos you know that they will care for your family.
Correct.
Parang
Oo.
ganun. Pero konti lang talaga take home ko. Pwede na siguro akong may bag every month kung hindi lang ano.
Okay lang yun. May pamilya ka naman na natutulungan. Maraming pamilya ka natutulungan.
Padilim ng padilim.
Oo nga. Babalik tayo sa dun sa traveling. My question to you, para mapag-aralan ko din what sort of difference we have in terms of traveling. Ano yung mga dala mo? Ano yung mga inisip mo? Kasi,
Wait, you want to kwento your first time first?
I
Do
don't
you
know.
still remember?
Local lang ata yun.
Oo.
Parang local ba yun? Ilan taon ba si Becca nun? Basta ganun.
Becca is 5 now. Happy
Oo.
birthday, Ate Becca. She just
birthday!
celebrated her
Yes!
birthday.
So, mine is not too significant. Sabihin ko na, local lang yun.
Okay lang.
But also at the same time, I brought her helper kasi we went to, was it tama ba? Tama ba yung timing ko? Oo, we went to a wedding in Cebu. Yun.
Okay.
And we needed extra help. So, because Becca was still latching sa akin, so, meron akong dinala. And at that time, sobrang strong kasi ng mom guilt feeling ko.
Yes.
Kaya
I'm sure.
kailangan dala siya.
I'm sure.
At saka kahit na may wedding yun, I mean, I'm
Andun
sure.
ka rin sa
Oo,
side.
oo. At saka kahit na, we have friends, we have mom friends also who are very confident in
Yeah.
terms of, because
Papapag-iwanan.
napapag-iwanan sa family, ganyan. Mine kasi, nahihiya ako sa folks ko. So, sa akin din siya lumaki ever since. And I feel as if, I think you and I are the same when it comes to that. Yung mom guilt feeling natin is making sure that they're around us. We're around them when they're growing up. They're
Yeah.
building their, milestones. Andun tayo. So, that's my mom guilt. Dala ko siya lagi.
And this is not to discredit the moms
The moms
who
Oo,
practice
oo.
another way.
Oo,
Parang
oo.
ganyan. It's just that,
That's just us. Kami lang yun.
Kami
Ganun
lang
yung
yun.
ugali namin. Na nagigilty pa nga ako. Kunwari, mga dalawang
di ba nga,
oras ko
30
siya
years old na tayo, feeling natin teenage moms pa rin tayo.
Hindi, na totoo,
30s.
di ba? Pero gets mo, medyo ganun ako. And I'm sure ganun ka rin. Yung
same.
gusto mo, you're just within her. You're within the perimeter, ganun.
Alam mo kung ano yung totoong first out of town ni Brie? She wasn't even 1 yet.
What? Saan?
Sa Baguio.
Okay, na marami ka rin dala.
Si Ate Elena. Buong kwarto.
Ayan, speaking
Lahat.
of dala, ano mga dinadala mo?
Magkakaibang facing yan.
Oo.
Newborn, infant, toddler.
Oo.
Ikaw at least meron ka ng kid na siya eh. Ano ba tawag pag 5?
Parang ano
Young
na
kid na.
Young kid na.
Young kid na. Parang
Oo.
ganyan. Newborn.
Oo,
Nagdadala.
correct.
Hindi ko, I will categorize it with feeding,
Oo.
pooping, and hygiene yun. Pooping and bathing nga iba eh.
Oo. Hygiene.
Hygiene. Hygiene yun.
Basta yun.
Hygiene, pooping, bathing, tapos milk. Feeding din si milk, di
A
ba?
lot of factors,
Oo, naku, grabe. Yung sasakyan namin SUV, puno. Yung ganyan.
Oo, correct.
Stroller, magdadala ka, tapos hindi naman siya papayag. Stroller.
Parang you just have to make sure that everything's with you.
Tapos, car seat kasi nung Baguio travel
Correct.
na, maglalagay ka, pero sumikip lang din. Kasi matigas.
Oo.
my gosh. So, sa newborn, don't worry if you think na overpacking kayo.
Yes.
Because yung anxiety,
Parang
that's for me.
malapit na yung show. Maraming nakaupo.
Pag lumiliwanag
May
na
fountain na. So pag lumiwanag na, mababay na kami sa
sorry.
Yung production namin, marami na kaming nasa background.
Yeah nga.
Mga namin yan, extra.
Paid extra. Paid sila lahat.
Tingnan mo, pogi pa yung nasa likod.
Puti.
O siya, okay.
So,
So, balik tayo dun sa
newborn.
planning. Okay.
if you really have to travel or if you are really longing to travel, wag ka mag-alala, don't
Mm-mm.
plan 2 weeks in advance.
Yeah, oo.
Oo, like, kung ano yung pina-practice mo sa bahay,
Mm-mm.
it's best na ma-replicate mo yun in a way na hindi ka man OA, di ba?
Correct,
Pero
correct.
kasi, ang hirap din ng pagsanggol, biglang wala akong ganito, ay, nakalimutan ko yung
Correct.
pangsipsip
Tapos,
ng
hindi mo
ilong.
mahanap sa mo bibilin.
Maghahanap ka
Oo,
pa
correct,
doon.
correct.
Oo.
Lalo na here in the Philippines kasi hindi lahat ng areas na pupuntahan mo kompleto.
Oo.
Mm-mm.
Yun. So,
Or even traveling abroad.
sterilizer.
Oo.
Kuwari may mga sterilizer ba ako dala?
dami talaga gamit. Ang daming gamit.
Ngayon wala na.
Okay, oo nga naman.
Ngayon wala
Oo,
na.
Kasi sa bagay, nung infant talaga, maingat ka din talaga sa kanya. Kasi
Even
baka,
yung
ma-ingest niya, di ba?
Distilled water.
Yeah, oo. Agree.
And that's, alam mo, syempre magdi-disclaimer ulit ako na if you are not that type of mom,
Yeah.
this is me.
Oo.
So, ang sinasabi ko lang is that sobrang planado. Tapos may lista, as much as possible nire-replicate namin.
Oo.
Yun. May mga second hand naman na mabibili sa marketplace, yung ganyan na may hanggang planggana.
Shucks, ganun ka. Ako lang
Hindi,
siya.
land travel yun kasi. Land travel yun.
Oo, ako paano ba?
O sige, yung Japan. Japan at 8 months is
Oo.
infant. International. Wala. Grabe, pati
Ilang
yung...
maleta na lang.
Isa sa kanya lang.
Oo,
Isang maleta
malaki
sa kanya
na
lang.
check-in na sa
Oo.
kanya lang.
Tapos another isa
Another
pa,
one for the-
share na kami ni Bri.
At least not so much din. Pero,
Yung hand carry kasi,
Oh, yung hand carry.
yung hand carry namin ang mabigat because always akong sigurista na hindi mawawala yung mga gamot.
Mm-mm.
So yung gamot nasa hand
Oo,
carry.
Oo.
Tapos meron
Siyempre, disaster preparedness.
Saka kasi 'di ba maraming mga check-in na naliligaw pupunta sa ibang mga bansa. At least hawak mo na.
Correct.
May mga ganun ako. Tapos
Sorry. Oo.
Tapos, sandali Tapos meron ako, naka-categorize pa yan, nakalista yan, kung ano yung under your chair sa airplane.
Wow.
Ganon talaga siya.
Ganun, oh my God.
Tapos ano yung over the cabin na hindi mo kakailanganin sa 4 hours na travel.
Ano mo na yun, na-segregate mo na yun,
Oo.
bale.
Tapos
Oh
lagi
my
pa rin may
God.
nakakalimutan.
Ano ba ako? Like, yung first namin na air travel, well, yung ewan ko parang, siguro swerte lang din ako na parang si Becca nakikisama sa akin.
Alam mo, mabait talaga si Ate Becca.
Pag kulang ako ng preparedness, wala naman nangyayari sa kanyang, anything.
Si Ate Elena,
Oo.
when Brie was newborn, 29 years na siya
Oo.
in practice. Ngayon, more than 30s.
Oo.
Maya, ma'am, hindi ko kaya. Itong batang to, may sariling decision talaga.
Oo, strong ang personality na anak mo. Lumabas pa lang siya. Malakas na
Oo,
personality.
medyo at 29 years, you would
defying-
think kaya ni Ate Elenang
Oo.
medyo...
Siya sa
anyway,
defying gravity.
anyway, ang dilim na natin.
Basta yun. Okay, last question. Bago dumilim at bago lumabas yung fountain.
Oo. So, 30 minutes lang ang podcast natin.
Oo,
Walang
30
cut.
minutes, 29, 48 seconds lang aming record. So,
Infant stage, mas mababawasan, pero yung mga pagkain.
okay. Yeah.
Nagdadala pa rin
Oo.
ako.
And as they grow, paunti na din
Pakunti
ng
na
paunti yung
pakunti.
kinakailangan
Mas
nila.
nagiging
Oo.
madali silang
Oo.
ka-travel. Siguro, maybe next year, let's create a video with links
Oo,
of
sige,
products.
yung mga things that we can.
Oo.
Wala pa kaming sponsors baka may gustong mag-sponsor sa
Baka naman.
maisama namin kayo sa aming mga listahan ng mga
Oo.
highlights. Ganon.
I'm sure may mga ginagamit na tayo.
Correct. Oo.
Yun. Question. Do you think traveling is helpful to your child?
Oo naman. In fact, that's also the reason why I have not decided fully kung saan ko siya gustong pag-aralin kasi I want her to have that flexibility of the schedule para madala ko siya abroad or madala ko siya around the world. Kasi for example now, like ngayon na si Becca 5 years old, nagkakaroon siya ng perspective eh. At saka, ang ganda ng memory nila. Naaalala nila, uy, Mommy, we went here.
Yeah.
Mama, I remember, we went to Rome a year ago nung
Yes,
kinasal si
nag-long
Ika. Nag-long haul kami. Nakakatuwa kasi even whatever she sees na sa poster na that anything that has to do with Italy, naala niya, Mama, we went there, really, this was in Rome.
Ay, ang galing.
Nakakatuwa. So, and I feeling ko, ang laki din tulong mentally and also physically somehow kasi
So the pagod
is worth
and
it.
the struggle
everything,
is worth it.
It's worth it. Ikaw, I'm sure, yes, di ba?
Even when she was a newborn infant, alam mo yung sensory niya.
Oo.
Nakikita niya
Correct.
iba, hindi lang
Nagkaka-perspective.
kwarto ng
Correct.
bahay nyo
Correct.
ang nakikita niya. So yun talaga yung sobrang advantage sa akin. Kasi alam mo yun, yung pag nakita mo pa lang siya nakatingin sa
Correct.
paligid,
Oo.
na ay okay, this is another.
Nagkakaroon sila.
That's why yung anak ko, kahit wala pang 3 years old, ano na yun, masyado ng marunong makipag-usap and
Correct.
because din sa paligid niya,
Hindi na nahihiya.
may hiya rin, pero
Pero not
confident siya.
May confident siya sa sarili.
Marunong na siyang magtanong kung ano. Minsan nga waiter!
Oy, but this does not discount yung mga local travels.
Yes.
So, mga mommies
Oo.
natin na who are in the Philippines na very na also
Budget
budgeted.
friendly.
Na
Oo.
budget friendly. Siguro maikot nyo lang somewhere, wag lang maiwan sa bahay. That's
Oo.
also that makes a whole lot of differences sa development ng bata.
For a pandemic baby, si Ate Becca nakagala ng marami.
Oo, medyo, oo.
Yun.
Kasi nga, hindi
Kasi
ko nga
yung pandemic
iniiwan
ka talaga.
Oo.
Oo. So yun lang, it helps their development.
Correct.
Seeing things around. May
Yes,
mga
oo.
meme na makikita yan lagi sa online.
Oo.
Parang pag-iisipin daw, worth it ba yun sa memories
Oo.
ng bata? Sa memories ng matanda rin, yes.
Yeah.
And also, yes, sa bata. Kasi,
Correct.
as in, sobrang stimulated talaga sila.
Correct.
Na, okay,
Ang liit na ng
difference.
mundo. Kasi nakikita na nila sa social media.
Tsaka,
Alam
bro,
na nila. Oo.
ikaw na milang, saka
Yeah,
seat
oo.
sale lang tayo. Or, wala akong seat sale. Pero,
Seat sale, hanapin nyo guys. Oo, hindi nyo kailangan, you don't have to think expensive. Kami ni Ses, lang kami.
madiskarte kami sa mga ganyan.
Mapagpanggap lang kami, pero kung saan lang kami nakatira.
Also, we just have this, Brian and I, as a family, we just have this decision lagi na as much as we can, even if it's for work, we end the day together.
Oh, that's so nice.
Oo.
Ako, I end the day mad at Josh.
Hindi, mabait yan si Josh.
Love you, Dada.
Mabait yan si Josh, sobra. So, yun. I mean, it's just a conscious effort. Kasi,
Yes. Oo,
especially
totoo.
with Bri, may yan na pwedeng ma-delegate siya, ma-delegate
Correct,
dito.
correct.
So, we just try to end the day together.
Oh,
May
siguro
mga araw
ako,
na hindi ganun.
insight na din, traveling also helps you together as a couple. Ako kasi-
mag-aaway kayo sa abroad eh.
Oo, kasi ako, mas
tayo
kalmado
nandito?
ako. Tsaka ako naman, other way around, mas kalmado ako sa kanya.
okay.
Parang, oo, medyo.
Kasi hindi mo naiisip yung trabaho and
I need
family
that
time
kasi
is family
I always
time.
think I'm a thinker and a problem solver na when I'm abroad, it clears my head. Ganon.
Oo, tama.
So,
So, 34 minutes.
Ayun.
Ayun.
Any more question that we need to address? Ayun. So, any tips na lang?
Tips.
Para
Ako,
to close our podcast.
I will not ang sasabihin ko is that accidents and sakit can still happen when you're traveling.
Correct.
It's best really to plan ahead so that one, you avoid it, or if you encounter it, you know how to deal with it.
Yes. Oo.
Parang ganyan.
Oo.
And yes, let's have fun with our family, but still be mindful of our budget, of
Yes,
our itinerary.
correct.
So, plan talaga.
Mm-mm.
And if you think that your family is not ready to go far from home, from home base, then don't.
Oo. Agree.
Yun.
Agree. So, whatever she says. Pero
Wala
yeah,
na
so,
kaming ilaw.
yeah, so that ends our podcast, guys. We
Thank
hope you learned
you.
something from us. And We hope you enjoyed us taking you here sa Singapore just for a little
Second
bit.
episode.
Yeah, for a second episode. And yes, moms, if you have questions, feel free to just message us in our Facebook.
Yes, and again, our playground is available.
Yes.
Our playground is open daily. As of 2025, we are open 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. daily at Sandoval Ave. 1 Sandoval Ave, Pasig City, San Miguel, Pasig City. And pwede kayong dalhin mo yung mga bata for regular play, like that one, ganyan,
Yes,
sa
yan,
likod
yan.
natin. And, or only play. And also, for kiddie parties, you can book our playground. Just message us.
Yes, and this
And-
Christmas, next week, we will be
Yes.
plugging our Donate a Christmas Party.
Oo.
We'll tell you more about that in the next podcast. Bye-bye!
Bye, guys. Bye.